Only coach first. Thank you.
Offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, and disabled persons. Station berikutnya, Surian, IOI Mall Damansara. Next station, Surian, IOI Mall Damansara. Tiba di Surian, IOI Mall Damansara. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Surian, IOI Mall Damansara. Exit to the left door. Station berikutnya, Kota Damansara, Thomson Hospital. Next station, Kota Damansara, Thomson Hospital. Anda akan tiba di Kota Damansara, Thomson Hospital. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kota Damansara, Thomson Hospital. Exit to the left door. Kini disediakan di laluan ini, penumpang wanita dialih-alihkan untuk memenuhi tempat duduk di coach wanita terlebih dahulu. Terima kasih. Utamakan tempat duduk untuk wanita mengandung, warga emas dan orang kelainan upaya.
The women's only coach is now available on this line. Female passengers are encouraged to take the seats in the women's only coach first. Thank you.
Offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, adults and disabled persons. Station berikutnya, Kuasa Central. Next station, Kuasa Central. Tiba di Kuasa Central. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kuasa Central. Exit to the left door. Berikutnya, Kuasa Damansara dan stesen terakhir MRT Labuan Kajang. Stesen pertukaran ke MRT Labuan Putrajaya. Next station, Kuasa Damansara and final station of MRT Kajang Line. Interchange station with MRT Putrajaya Line. Tiba di Kuasa Damansara dan stesen terakhir MRT Labuan Kajang. Ini adalah stesen pertukaran ke MRT Labuan Putrajaya. Pintu di sebelah kanan akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kuasa Damansara and final station of MRT Kajang Line. This is an interchange station with MRT Putrajaya Line. Exit to the right door.